Hey Hendrik, we're live.
Wait a minute.
What are you waiting a minute about?
I mean, we have to go somewhere.
No, we don't. We're right here. My name's Ty. I'm the transport guy. I'm in a transport parking lot at Mannheim, Jacksonville. I've got my buddy Hendrik with me. And today we're going to talk about hauling cars safely or car haulers safety.
Both. I mean, it's a huge thing. Car hauler safety and then hauling car safety is the same thing. You just need to load the cars properly.
Yeah, but I've been hanging around you for a couple of weeks, and you've been teaching me. I've been in America for 20 years hauling cars in and out of auctions. I've used American equipment. By the way, your name's Hendrik Saar. You're with Cart
Correct.
out of where?
Germany.
Out of Germany.
Europe.
And you found me on YouTube because you want what?
Because I wanna bring our equipment here better on the American market and get just people to understand what can be done differently. Because today, if I see the market, then we have a here discussion with Ty every day about how to load, how to carry cars, and I just have a different mindset as locally here.
Yeah, so you've been with me. I take you into transport parking lots all the time, and what happens?
It happens that I see a lot of car haulers over there, and those buddies are doing very good work, but how they load cars and how those cars are carried on the road, I don't like it.
What don't you like about it?
I mean, I don't want to say that those good persons actually who are loading those cars are doing something from the heart, something very wrong, but what is wrong is there is no requirements how you load, connect cars to the trailers and how you carry them on the road. I don't like the unsafety. I'm the safety guy.
So what you're saying is you see the American people out here, the good heart, trying to do a good job, trying to work hard, and maybe they don't know, or because see, the more I hang around you, the more I think maybe it's just we don't know because we've never experienced any what you're German engineering.
Yeah, and I guess this is part of the game that if we're speaking about to those nice drivers, then really, I mean, if I show them like pictures and videos and so on, they really just don't know. And this is something what I want to bring here and just getting much better safety and environment for the car hauling ecosystem in US.
Yeah. Well, so some of the things that like you've taught me that I would have never known unless you came here and showed me. There's a difference between hot galvanized steel and steel.
Yeah, of course. I mean, you can
Is that galvanized steel?
No. Oh, over there. Yeah, sorry. There is a pipeline.
Let's take a look.
There is a pipeline.
Show us what this is.
Yeah.
You're saying this is galvanized steel.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a look. And this is what you use on your.
Yeah, I mean, you cannot galvanize any steel, but certain steel types you can galvanize. And like
Is this
these
hot
over here.
galvanized?
This is not galvanized, yes. The point here is that even if you scratch it somewhere, the other places it's not gonna be like rusty. Look here, there is a place where it's scratched, and nothing happens actually. So it's
Show
that's,
me again. I missed it.
That's the beauty on the galvanized steel, that it's gonna last super long.
You can scratch it, but it doesn't.
Yeah,
Take the
I mean,
paint off?
even if you really go through here somewhere like you see here, there are like a deeper scratchers, you know.
Scratches.
It's gonna last very, very long, and there is not gonna come any rust soon.
So by having a hot galvanized steel frame on your car hauler,
Yeah,
you're saying you're not going to rust.
no, for a really long time, it's not gonna rust. Actually, galvanized steel, just I mean, let's say after 20 years, 25 years, it's gonna be weared out if you use it every day as a car hauler. It's logical that the frame is gonna be just wear out, but there is not gonna be any corrosion, any rust.
Okay. So that's the steel part of your car haulers.
Yeah, I mean, and this is also somewhere a part of the safety, because those American car haulers are like designed in different way. They use always like a pipes anywhere.
Just explain pipes.
Yeah, pipes is like
Square tubing.
square tubing, yes. And the problem by those square tubing is this, that they always rust inside to out. I mean, every square tube is rusting from inside to out because there is always moisture inside. There is
So you're saying
emulsion.
your trailers aren't no pipe, no square tubing.
No. This is
What is it, like an I-beam?
yeah. This is different I-beams and different U-beams and different also materials which are just like let's say made as a construction. And then this all comes up somehow, of course, on cost of the trailers, because if you use just the square tubes, it's cheap, it's easy to make it, but it's not gonna last long. And the other part with the square tubing design is that those trailers to have a very different frames, which means those frames are pretty high, because you need
Yours?
no, those square tubes.
Oh, square tubes.
Yeah,
high.
yeah.
How high are they? 6-8 inches?
Depends. I mean, if you look at here American trailers, you see that they do have a problem to open the car doors
Opening the car. So when you're saying when you pull in the stingers or the high mounts,
mostly of the
when you're
places,
loading the bottom, you can't get out of the car,
it's
but you can get out of them with yours
Yeah, absolutely, because
without hitting anything.
Yeah, because it's the design is so much different. But anyway, I mean, we should like let's say concentrate on, and what I want to do here is not to say that somebody makes something wrong or whatever. Everyone can do what they want. That's the market here. That's the beauty. It's just that for what is just safety itself, and at the safety why we're speaking about now here galvanized steel and square tubing and so. The rust is not the issue if it's like just a rust, but I see here so many trailers on the road where there is not any more rust. There is just they are over. I mean, there are holes in the frame, big holes, and they still carry cars around every day. And this is, I driving the same roads here. I mean, if I'm visit US and my family is here and other people, and I just say this is not okay. I mean, this is just big risk for everybody, and I don't like it that way.
Right, because you got a lot of weight on there, and if it's rusting through the inside or even has holes in it, right?
The construction strength is not anymore there, and you just bring everybody in a big risk. That's the problem.
Somebody chatted something, but I didn't see it. Sorry, chat. Okay, so steel, which is hot galvanized, which doesn't rust, and you don't use tube or square tube or pipe. You
Not at
use
all, no.
kind of an angle iron or a U iron is what I
Yeah,
thought I heard
yeah.
you say.
Yeah.
So that equates to safety because over the course of time, it's not going to rust and you're not going to be going down the road and hit a big bump and the trailer just snaps in two.
Yeah, we have shown so many, I mean, live here trailers which are bended in all directions because those frames, those square tube frames just are so rusted that they don't carry out any strength anymore. We are in our trailers are using three type of materials. It's galvanized carbon steel, it's aluminum, it's a military grade aluminum, and we use stainless steel. So that's it. And
It's pretty light too, right?
yeah, that's
Now there's one trailer
that's
that
the combo.
you talk about for America. You want to get this one particular trailer to America. I believe it's called the Rapid.
Yeah, it's true. First, yeah.
So it's a high mount. What's a high mount? High mount's top deck, lower deck. You can haul, what, 8, 9 on it? Depending upon the vehicle size?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so the Rapid, it's 8, 9 high mount. Comes self-contained,
Yeah, if you wish it.
if you want it. Self-contained. It also has, you can get the axles on the trailer that turn.
Yes, steered axles. Yeah, that's actually very convenient because
That's German engineering. Where do you find axles on a trailer that turn?
Yeah,
I've never heard of it.
at us. I mean,
I'm from Missouri. Show me.
yeah, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna
right.
show you. And,
We're gonna-
and you let you drive, and then
try.
then you have the
Okay.
real feeling.
So one quick question. Walk this way. Follow me just a little bit. Right about here. Okay. Right here we got a 1 ton and a 4-car trailer. So when you, German guy, you see that, what do you think?
Yeah, I mean, every vehicle, personal car, whatever, as higher is the load, the more unstable is the vehicle. And this behind here is just for me again the same thing. It's very, very dangerous. And there are so many videos on YouTube, you can follow them, where just such of trailers they just fall on the side because
Flip.
yeah,
We
they
call it
flip.
flip of the week.
Yeah, the flip of the week. Yeah, because
Because
it's
they put it on too high. They don't
super
have the-
super high. I mean, I myself coming from racing, and then everyone knows that as lower the weight, the better and faster you can drive the car, and that's the same with whatever vehicle which transports some goods.
You want it to be low to the ground.
I mean,
Lower.
today, like electric vehicles, to have a benefit in that because the batteries are low, the mass of the vehicle is very low, and they are safer to drive fast. Let's say that way. And here we do exactly the opposite, or I mean, not we do, but we see, and that's just the point. Don't do that. I mean, I know, guys, you have to carry cars, you have to make your money, but we're here to help you out somehow to figure out to be better.
That's right. You can call us 417-483-2764. I doubt I'll put it in the description, so just rewind it
Yeah,
and give me a call.
absolutely.
We're going to cut it short now because we got to go meet this guy.
Yeah,
But we're going to be talking more about safety, and we're going to try to find somebody that'll let us touch their stuff.
absolutely.
Have a great
Stay
day.
tuned.
Stay tuned. Yeah. Okay, I don't know. Here we go.